One of the best hikes in the city of Fredericksburg, Virginia is the Motts Run Loop. It is an 8.2-mile hike around a beautiful lake, a beautiful reservoir. It is crystal clear. When you're on this trail, you're immersed in green, and there's so much solitude. It is a very beautiful hike. It is also an easy hike. There isn't much elevation. It's less than 800 feet of elevation, so it's a relatively easy hike. So if you're looking for an easy hike where you're immersed in green and fresh air, I highly recommend the Motts Run Loop.